The landscape of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, with large language models at the forefront. These powerful tools are transforming how we interact with information and create content. Understanding their unique strengths and applications is crucial for both educators and learners. This session will explore three prominent AI models: OpenAI's ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, and Anthropic's Claude. We will compare their core functionalities, highlight their distinct advantages, and discuss how they can be effectively utilized in academic and professional settings. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, revolutionized public access to AI language models. It excels at generating human-like text for a wide array of tasks. Its primary strength lies in its conversational ability and creative writing. Users often leverage ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas, drafting emails, or summarizing complex texts. It is highly versatile for general-purpose content creation and interactive dialogue. However, its knowledge cutoff means it may not always have the most current information. Its extensive training on diverse internet data makes it adept at mimicking various writing styles. This makes it a valuable tool for generating initial drafts or exploring different perspectives on a topic. Google's Gemini represents a new generation of AI, designed from the ground up to be multimodal. This means it can process and understand various types of information, including text, images, audio, and video. Gemini aims to offer advanced reasoning capabilities. It is particularly strong in complex problem-solving and integrating information across different formats. Gemini's integration with Google's vast ecosystem can provide real-time information access and enhanced search functionalities. This model is ideal for tasks requiring analytical thinking or the synthesis of diverse data types. Its ability to handle multiple modalities simultaneously sets it apart for more intricate research or creative projects. Claude, developed by Anthropic, places a strong emphasis on safety, helpfulness, and honesty. It is designed with constitutional AI principles, aiming to be less prone to generating harmful or biased content. Claude often excels in nuanced understanding and long context window processing. This model is particularly effective for tasks requiring deep comprehension of lengthy documents or complex ethical considerations. Its focus on safety makes it a reliable choice for sensitive topics or critical analysis. Claude is well suited for summarizing extensive research papers, drafting policy documents, or engaging in thoughtful, extended dialogues. Its design prioritizes responsible and reliable AI interactions. While all three models are powerful, their underlying philosophies and training data lead to distinct strengths. ChatGPT is a generalist, excellent for broad conversational tasks and creative content generation. It offers wide accessibility and a user-friendly interface. Gemini stands out with its multimodal capabilities and advanced reasoning, making it suitable for complex analytical tasks and cross-format information processing. Its real-time data access can be a significant advantage for current events or dynamic research. Claude differentiates itself through its ethical framework and superior handling of long contexts, making it ideal for in-depth analysis and sensitive content. It prioritizes safety and nuanced understanding in its responses. For students, ChatGPT can assist with brainstorming and initial drafts, while Gemini might be better for research requiring multimodal input. Claude could be invaluable for analyzing lengthy text or ethical dilemmas. Teachers can use ChatGPT for generating lesson plan ideas or quiz questions. Gemini might help in creating interactive, multimodal learning materials. Claude could support curriculum development by analyzing educational policies or complex texts. Selecting the best AI model depends entirely on your specific needs and the task at hand. There is no single best model. Rather, each offers unique advantages. Experimenting with all three will help you understand their individual strengths. Consider the nature of your query. Is it a creative writing prompt, a complex analytical problem, or a request for ethical guidance? Aligning your task with the model's core strengths will yield the most effective results. As these models continue to evolve, staying informed about their updates and new features is essential. Embracing these tools thoughtfully can significantly enhance learning, teaching, and productivity in the digital age.